Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share PowerPoint slide in Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Meet, and as you can see, I have created a virtual meeting and I'm going to share my PowerPoint slide to this meeting. First of all, if we want to share our screen, we can click on this icon or this present now option, and then here we can choose either Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. If you select this entire screen, it means that you will share your entire screen on your PC or laptop, and I recommend you choose like the window, so only window will be presented to the meeting. And here, as you can see, I have opened my PowerPoint slide and I'm going to share it. I'm going to select the PowerPoint and then I'm going to click on share. Okay, and hold on. Alright, and now the PowerPoint slide has been shared to this meeting. And if you want to stop the presentation, you just need to click on stop presenting right here or stop sharing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share PowerPoint slide to Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.